Hello?
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Didn't work.
Hello? Speak.
That dog here.
Hello?
Hi. Hi. Walk away now.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
That's cool. Hello?
Yeah. What did he say?
I believe that bird just called me a bitch.
That white rabbit has like black around its eyes.
I believe this bird just swore at me.
Do not open my cage or don't stick your fingers in it.
I turned around and it said, bitch.
Did it?
Yeah,
Aw.
I recorded it.
Aw, you're a pretty bird.
Told you to
No,
fuck
no,
off.
act like you're walking away.
Try to start walking.
So start walking. What does he come here? Aw. You're a pretty bird. You're so pretty.
It said come in, I turned around.
You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're a pretty color.
Try to walk away.
Walk away. Oh, look at its pretty tail colors. Aren't they cute? Trying to show the way out. Look at the pretty colors, Caroline.
Wait, this thing isn't closed.
Don't put your finger.
It's not latched. Oh wait, it's latched up there.
Ooh, sounds like R2-D2.
Hello? Hello?
What's it eating? Supposed to be very smart.
Hi. Turn around again and start
There's
walking.
no pause. Oh.
Turn around and start walking. Just leave.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You're looking at me.